Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to create mailing tag and Google Tag Manager. First, we have to create a variable. I have created a variable earlier called click URL hostname. If you want to know how to create this variable, please refer to our previous video entitled How to Create Phone Link Tag and Google Tag Manager. After that, we can now create our tag. This is still the same process when we were creating our phone link tag. Just click on tag under the container section and then click on the new button. However, I already created the tag earlier. I named the tag GA Event Mailing. Then I chose Google Analytics for the product and chose Universal Analytics for the tag type. Then under Configure Tag, I select GA Property ID for the tracking ID. If you want to know how to create the variable for GA Property ID, you can refer to our previous video entitled How to Set up Google Analytics in Google Tag Manager. Then under Track Type, I selected Event and then typed in Mail Link for the category. I selected the Click URL hostname variable for our action. Then selected Click URL for the label. Now I click on Continue button. Under Fire On, I selected Click as a trigger and click on New to create a new trigger. I have already created this trigger earlier. I named my trigger Click Mail Links and then under Configure Trigger, I selected Just Links for the targets and then type in 2000 milliseconds for the maximum wait time for tags. This is equivalent to 2 seconds. I then clicked on Continue. Under Enable When, I selected Page URL under this drop-down button and selected Mattress Regex for this drop-down button. I then typed dot asterisk for this portion and clicked on Continue. Under Fire On, I selected Click URL from this dropdown and Starts With from this dropdown. Then I typed in mail to : and saved my trigger. After saving the trigger, you can then save your tag. Now we are ready to test our tag if it fired or not. Still the same process to view our preview mode. We go to Publish and then click on Preview button. When this orange banner appears, it indicates that I am now on preview mode. I will go to my store and then click on a product. As you can see at the bottom of my page, there is this email link. Now look closely at this portion of my page as I click on email. There it is. As you can see here, our tag is being fired, the GA Event Mailing. Now let's check on my Google Analytics. I'll click on Global Traffic, Real Time, then Events. As you may see here, a mail link event is being tracked by my Google Analytics. This means that my tag worked.